all working toward that perfect machine.
When a customer opens up one of our products, I want them to see the best product out there on the market.
So you can be sure that when you get one of our Alliance Laundry machines in your business that you're getting the highest quality that there is.
The team that we have here at Alliance is a global team, and it's a team that is enhancing their skills really day by day. First and foremost, we've really invigorated computer-aided engineering and simulation into our repertoire of verifying product performance and verifying product attributes.
We want to make those changes, make those design decisions that are going to provide a quality product to the end customer before they would see any problems. We want to see anything that might happen here first so we can correct it, address it, and send a quality product down the line.
Everything we're working on this year can be summarized into one really simple phrase: capable process, capable operator.
Well, what we've done out here to improve is every team member has standard work. They follow the same work pattern every single day. We've also developed work stacks, which shows us very quickly where some of our gates are, where we're having issues hitting our takt time and delivering.
The quality improvements that we've made, we've implemented our and-on system, so we put it in the team members' hands that they can ask for help. So when they see an issue, like let's say they have a blemish on a side panel, they can call for help. They hit the help button, their team leads and other team members come down and help them replace the issue. It also gets upper management down here too to make sure that there's not an ongoing problem.
We're starting to move down the path where the process has the capability to interrupt production when we haven't met the requirement, and the term for that is POPIO, or error proofing. And so the process is capable enough to detect an error so that our team members, people make errors, but the process has to be smart enough to find it. Once you have great standardized work, then you can create training programs and certification programs to make sure the team members have the skill. And so if you have those two things, both the process is capable and can run, and the team member is capable of working within that process, then you have a sustainable result that just repeats unit after unit after unit. The mindset we also build is to build it right the first time. And so we don't want to inspect in quality. Although we do have inspections, the purpose is to build it right while it's in front of you.
I want them to see a quality product that they're happy with, that they're excited that they got. I mean, it's just like Christmas when you get that new present and you're happy with it. I want them to be happy.
We want to make it right and make it right the first time.
The team is dedicated to delivering the best product to that customer, and we stand behind everything we put on that pallet.
I hope the customer can have some comfort in knowing that we're really focused on how to build the product like world-class assembly practices, and we always build it right the first time.